Hello, everybody. So here's the deal. When you're using a Dropbox or you're submitting anything on Google Classroom, I want to show you how to do this. So if you have a question at home, because I've seen a few people make some boo-boos, I want to try to correct those boo-boos now so nobody struggles with it. This is my Dropbox right here for my identity essay, okay? I have this set up so like I'm a student, I'm trying to turn in my work. So I click on this and it says drop your identity essay here. Make sure you proofread your essay and that's following the burger style format. I got you, bro. I've done that. And then I've got my essay right here that I've been working on for Mr. Bean's class, which I know I'm Mr. Bean, but let's pretend I'm a student for a second, okay? I want to get this right here over to this right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click View Assignment, okay? Now, if I just click Mark as done, there's nothing, I'm going to see nothing on the teacher end because I didn't attach my essay. I don't want to put it in the class comments because that's just crazy talk. I don't want to do it in the private comments. I want to, excuse me, add my work here. So I'm going to click Add or Create. Now, I've already created my essay. It's right here in this tab. I don't need to create another one. So down here where it says create new, don't do any of these. This is a no-no right here. I don't need to make a new doc or slide or sheet or drawing. I've already done my essay and it's in my Google Drive. Okay, even if you don't, like, if you're sitting there like going, oh, Mr. Bean, I typed it in Google Docs. If you type in Google Docs, it automatically goes to your Google Drive. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to click on Google Drive. Okie dokie. Now, recent, I can search for it by name. There's literally only one thing in my Google Drive right now, and that's my identity essay. And here it is. So, whoop, there it is. And it uploads. Excuse me. Turn it in. Yeah, got it. I want to turn it in here in a second. But I've got it attached. It's right there. If you want to double check, you can click on the document. Yep, there's my document right there. Yes, I understand. Whoop, there's my document. Okay, so I've got it attached. I don't need to put a class comment. I don't need to do a private comment. Now that I've attached it, I simply need to turn it in. So count it down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turning it in. Turn in your work. Yes, absolutely. Turning in. Score. Y'all, I finished my homework. I got it turned in. That feels so good inside. Okay? So, that's all there is to it. We're turning in an essay. So if I go back here, classwork, it says turned in. And sure enough, it's turned in. I can unsubmit, like maybe I realized I turned in the wrong thing. I can unsubmit it and turn something else in. But I am done now. And that feels so good inside to know that I've got my essay turned in. So if you've got any questions, send me an email, or you can tweet me, or you can just show up at school and throw rocks at my window, and I'll come to the window and say, what are you doing outside my window? So maybe you should just email me or tweet me. But got any questions, don't hesitate to holler on how to turn an assignment in using Google Classroom. Your identity essay, not due till September 11th, so make sure you get that turned in. That should be plenty of time. Watch the videos on how to do the intro and the conclusion and the body. So if you have any questions, holla. I'll talk to y'all later. Goodbye.